Oh, oh. Today I'm gonna wax my legs for the first time ever in my life, and I'm using the Trez Wellness Waxing Kit from TikTok Shop. And I was inspired by the waxing queen in Kenya here on TikTok. And also, I really despise shaving my legs. My leg hairs grow in really, really long, as you can see here. So it's like when I have to shave, I have to swipe and then rinse the blade, swipe and rinse the blade. So I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and give it the old college try. And the kit comes with everything that you need. My legs are hairy. Yeah, we know, girl, that's why we doing this. And just for some backstory, I have had my bikini area lasered. So I don't know if that means my pain tolerance is high or low, but I just wanted to give you that backstory. All right, let's do this. So here I'm going to be putting all of my hours watching the waxing queen in Kenya on TikTok. Hopefully they think that I do pretty well. Tried to make a little lip. Oh, wait. I don't know if that's too thin of a application, but I heard the thinner the hair, the thinner. Oh wow, it's already dry. Okay, here we go, guys. Oh, mama ain't raised no beat. Come on. I did it. I did that. Oh my god, can you see the hair? Can't nobody tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Esthetician friends, how did I do with my first strip ever? I'm depositing the wax and then applying pressure and ooh, it's kind of a gap over there. And then doing a lip. Can't nobody tell me. It's dry already. Pressure. Ooh. Ooh. Soothe the area. Deposit in the wax and then push it with pressure. And making a lip. Okay. Ooh. It doesn't feel good. It feels like, if I had to describe it, it feels like a Band-Aid being ripped off. I'll do an up close of the strips for those who are curious. I'm gonna do the rest of my leg and come back. I also wanted to mention that I have very sensitive skin, like very reactive skin. So anytime I would get my eyebrows waxed or my lip waxed, my skin would turn red. So I just wanted to mention that when you do see the final results and you're like, oh my God, girl, your skin is red. I know, it's fine. My skin just does that. I have a little bit of wax left over, so I'm like, why not do my lip, you know? Okay. Oh, it's a little hot. Oh, oops. Okay. That's a little thick for the lip, but I tried. This is my first time. Guys. I'm just a girl with a hairy lip and hairy legs. Oh. Oh. Whose idea was this? Oh, baby. Oh, I didn't enjoy that. Okay, we gotta do the other side because I can't walk around with half a stash. No, ma'am. It's too much wax on the stick. It's too much dip on my chip. Okay, I think that is a way better application, I feel like, than the other side. See, we're learning new things. And I did clean this area. I did use the pre-wax spray on my lip before I just went in with it. No, this does not feel how your legs feel. Oh.
Oh, somebody, he needs some milk.
I don't like this part. Oh. No. And here are my legs, freshly waxed. As I told you, I do turn red. It is okay. I'm going to show you what my legs look like the next day, and the redness is completely gone. And I did exfoliate. I use African nut sponge in the shower, so my legs were already exfoliated. This is just my skin.
I'm just sensitive.
And these are my legs the next morning. All the redness is completely gone. There are some places that still have hair, but I mean, this was my first time, so there are some patches left.
Wow.
And these are some of the waxing strips after I waxed. And as you can see, it really did pick up a lot of hair. My leg hairs are so long you could low-key braid it, but you know. The wax really did do its job, and I'm really proud of myself for trying something new.